How to manage email frequency in SendGrid. So first, you just simply need to log into your account right here. And once you have logged in, you just simply need to navigate to the left side here on the left sidebar and click on marketing, then click on automations. Once you're here, you just simply need to choose the specific automation you want to edit from the list. And if you haven't have any automation yet, you just simply need to create one right here. And once you're here, you just simply need to scroll down till you see this part. So as you can see, there's a pencil icon right there. So let's say I want to edit this one. After the first email was sent, I'm just going to go with this. So you can set the time of the process on when the email will be sent again. So how long after the preceding email is sent do you want to wait before sending this email? So you can edit this out, and you could also change this to days to hours if you want. And let's say I want to set this to 2 days. I'm just going to click on update after I'm done. And you could also do this with other ones right here. And you could also click on add an email right there to add another one. And you could also change the email frequency or the send time right there. So once you're done, you just simply need to click on save here on the top right to save your changes. And that is how you basically manage your email frequency in SendGrid.